Plant-based diets have been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. A diet rich in whole, unprocessed plant foods has been linked to a range of health benefits, including lower risk of chronic diseases and improved weight management. If you're new to the idea of a plant-based diet, don't worry. Making the switch can seem daunting, but with a few simple tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to a healthier, more sustainable way of eating. Start small. One of the biggest challenges of transitioning to a plant-based diet is changing long-standing habits. To make the transition easier, start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals, while gradually reducing your consumption of animal products. Plan your meals. Meal planning is a crucial component of a successful plant-based diet. Make a grocery list and plan out your meals in advance to ensure that you're getting a balanced mix of nutrients. This can also help you avoid the temptation of reaching for unhealthy, processed foods when you're short on time. Get creative with ingredients. Experimenting with new ingredients and recipes is a great way to keep your meals exciting and prevent boredom. Try making plant-based versions of your favorite dishes, such as spaghetti with marinara sauce, veggie burgers, and stir-fry with tofu. Learn about nutrition. It's important to understand the nutrients your body needs to support good health, especially when following a plant-based diet. Make sure you're getting enough protein, iron, calcium, and vitamin B12, which can be harder to obtain from a plant-based diet. Consider taking a supplement or incorporating fortified foods into your diet. Find a community. Having a supportive network of friends, family, or a community can make the transition to a plant-based diet much easier. Join a plant-based group or follow plant-based influencers on social media for inspiration and tips. Remember, a plant-based diet is a flexible way of eating, and there's no one right way to do it. The most important thing is to find what works for you and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, a plant-based diet is a delicious, nutritious, and sustainable way of eating that can have a positive impact on your health and the environment. With a little planning and creativity, making the switch to a plant-based diet can be easier than you think. So, give it a try and see how it can improve your life.